DDLJ.
Alright, cool.
Everyone's talked to you about this film 25 times over because we've celebrated many anniversaries and all of that. Lekin, DDLJ, पिछली, the last time that you sat and watched the entire film, कब था?
When it released.
तब से अब तक
कभी देखी नहीं पिक्चर, अब वक्त ही नहीं मिलता, या कभी कभी लगता नहीं कि oh, I'm not that kind of a person who will sit, let's revisit memories. DDLJ की DVD लगाते. No, I'm not that. That's my film. You forget. I love to watch. Actually, I've watched the making once or twice on YouTube. So that's something that I absolutely adore watching because I love, everybody talking about everything that they remember from the film and all the fabulous memories from the film. Again, Sarojji was there with me at that point of time and trying to make me. Sarojji has done the most impossible things with me. She has made me look like a bride in Bazigar. I was like, what is this? I was like, what? Why am I wearing this stupid on my head?
कितने कपड़े हैं?
ऊपर भी पहनने पड़ेंगे, नीचे भी पहनने पड़ेंगे. और Sarojji has made me look embarrassed and like शर्माना. वो तो मतलब मेरे ख्वाबों में Sarojji मेरे को दिखा दो, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है शर्माना क्या होता है. नहीं बेटा, जब ना ऐसे, लेकिन मैंने कभी किया नहीं है जिंदगी में, मुझे नहीं आता उसका इमोशन, मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता. So that is, Sarojji's done all these weird things with me. And the last one was Drunk.
Correct.
So the last one, Hoto Pe Bus, मतलब Hoto Pe Bus I think came after that.
Correct.
हाँ. So this was, or before that, I'm not sure. Before. I think Hoto Pe Bus came before that. And then after that, Zara Sa Jhoom Loon Main. But thank God Zara Sa Jhoom Loon Main थोड़ा सा कुछ और करने के लिए था. It was not a question of just a room or something like that.
Favorite film of Tanuja ji?
Favorite film of Tanuja ji? I can be very honest and say that I have not watched a lot of my mother's films. I've loved Hathi Mere Saathi. Was my ultimate favorite, of course, but I hated her at the end of the film and I didn't speak to her for about at least 6 days after that. 4 days तो for sure.
क्यों?
मैंने बात नहीं की उनसे क्योंकि हाथी मर जाता है. You forgot.
No.
हाथी मर जाता है उसमें. तो मैंने बात नहीं की मम्मी से 3-4 दिन एटलीस्ट मैंने बात नहीं की. I was very upset. I was traumatized by that, but I absolutely loved the film.
Best piece of advice जो आपको किसी ने कभी भी दिया हो लाइफ में?
Best piece of advice, काफी सारा advice मिला है मुझे, लेकिन I think best piece of advice would be from my father on my Muhurat. He said एक बार ये चूना लग गया कभी उतरने वाला है, सोच लो.
क्या बात है, दाग कभी मिटेगा नहीं. And then you have like a detergent. Okay.
We won't say which one. We won't say which one.
Listen, पैसे मिलेंगे. Hello. एक piece of advice जो आपके बच्चे आपको देते हैं.
Oh, lots of advice. एक piece क्यों? Mom, just please reduce the drama, mama. Just cut the drama, please. This is like too much. Mom, please stop crying. Please, just stop crying. I think, so there is always this thing of like, I get really emotional when I'm watching like dogs and puppies and sad things happening on TV and things like that. Or sometimes I get emotional when my babies also turn around and say, Mama, I love you and all, and they come and hug me and all. हीरोइनी समझ रही है ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
एक्सप्रेशन तो वैसा ही लग रहा है.
I'm just like, Mom, please cut the drama. Alright, एक terrible fashion trend जो follow किया था 90s में, but whenever you look back, you're just like, what?
The veil. The veil. I can't get over that bloody veil. I was just like, what was that?
Radio Nasha.